23-year-old Beth Matthews with Down syndrome walked London's Fashion Week, and this went viral on social media. It is said that Beth was inspired to become a model after seeing world of Ellie Goldstein, who has Down syndrome and has represented Gucci all over the world. Now let us know about Down syndrome and how does it affect individuals. What is Down syndrome? Down syndrome is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of extra copy of chromosomes. Typically, humans have 46 chromosomes, but individuals with Down syndrome have 47. Why does it happen? Down syndrome occurs due to a random genetic event due to the conception. There is no specific cause, but it is said that older mothers are more likely to have a child with Down syndrome. Physical characteristics. One of the most recognizable features of Down syndrome is distinct physical characters. Individuals with Down syndromes have almond-shaped eyes, flat facial, smaller nose and mouth, and small stature with low muscle tone. Health concerns. Individuals with Down syndromes are more prone to certain health issues. Approximately half of the babies are born with Down syndromes have heart issues. Weaker muscle tone can lead to breathing difficulties. Digestive issues like celiac disease are more common. Whereas there is also a risk of thyroid. Approximately half of the babies are born with weaker muscle tone that can lead to breathing difficulties and also heart ailments. Whereas digestive issues and thyroid problems also exist. In conclusion, Down syndrome is a genetic condition resulting from extra chromosome. While it presents physical, intellectual, and health challenges, individuals with Down syndrome lead to a meaningful life. They contribute to their communities and teach us about the power of love, acceptance, and inclusion.